Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Snapchat streak back, right? So let's go into the Snapchat mobile application here, then just give all the required permission that it's need. So now just go to the chat section and basically you have to go to the profile ID, you have to click on the top left side corner. And here you have to click on the settings icon which is on top right side corner and just scroll to the bottom of this page, and here you will find, just scroll a little bit up, and here you will find I need help right in the support. So just click on I need help and it will take a very few seconds just to load. And guys, on the search bar you have to type my snap streak has been disappeared, right? So basically, and here you have to click on I lost my snap streak, and here you will find this kind of information. So basically you have to just click on the no, and after that you will get some kind of information, and here you can just click on the let us know here, that is a link, and basically you will get this kind of, and you have to select here, right? So you can just select I lost my snap streak, and after that you will see this kind of information. If you want, you can read it, right? And here in the bottom you will find this kind of a page that you have to fill it. So this is my username and my email address, phone number, the device which I am using right now, the friend, and everything you have to fill, right? And in the description you have to explain that it was regarding any glitch, or it was regarding any mistake by the Snapchat, or due to some problem, right? And you have to write all the everything, and after that filling the captcha you have to just send it. So this is the only way to get your snap streak back, right? So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.